Wa be ma bi nyanke jiti an comment nyanke jiti an.
Asante format temo dai. Penny bia cannot miss apartment obi anka bi. Obeja asante form mo afon kwasiafo asante for kwa na e balok magana. Ampa e balok e tie ho an mu se e balok an se e balok. Otu for me sell. Enje bia fa se e tie ho be ye bia no. Eni e kan say e wiase ama no anase penifo no enkasa na ekwade fa so be tie ho bia na tie ho ye ntwe sika.
Mache.
Ye mi e bank.
Mache no benya. Mache.
Na oba na bo se ye ni ate.
Asante wodom no nyame yadma first May asante wodom.
Kaye ka be twe sika na.
Se work ni baso.
He bo so twikitu kwa didi ho. Bo so twikitu kwa no didi ho. Uso budi atem but no Ashanti no Ghana.
Mache na.
No Ashanti no Ghana. Ye ni wa Ghana ni wa. Asante ni wa no Ghana. Munsem for amri to mema mo mani asante adan. Ye de se mo ma se bi so mukro mpagya.
Obi amu anu nyame yadma first May asante wodom work na se baso. Asante wodom. Ese baso. Macho
Nice GA.
Yo obisa. Unim me say me hwe sade eni asanteman asi afese nkebenya na asante adene ho. He say no level na rise so high in the sense that o hwe sade eni the youth eni abre epesa asanteman edene ho enya asembetwa. Esan say dodo na susu say eni mi amse yi susu say ye di asante anase asante esika hwe Ghana ama ebe wi ase ye se ye sai problem. If you lego asante hene na gigi si kama isi lego eno obi ko we school lego no dia be cassette asante so what I say so asante chese asante you the nya gidi pa na me the post bi ekoto YouTube me post bi ho no na me sure say if asante hene is to do one wish yes for you, what would be that wish? Almost everybody comment section say e was say the asanteman thing na me ba aba be read comments no actual reasons nti na me say kai say on the 1st May asante your mind work asante your mind work ti asemi asante your mind work with a Japa FM and a Japa TV enya asem ketwa kwa so this is the moment now we need to start from somewhere. Yes, so challenge so but before I make us answer yura asaso akoye na ade nbi yura mane homne so asa akoye na ade nbi Kenya ase yes Kumasi Kenya ase abrim yes Kenya ase basic school yura akoche thousands of like exercise books e di ama mofra e wo school mu Kenya ase basic school na se wani en se okachire me ni jemi huye no asante hema wo abochime mu UK na sa abeyi na besi yenhwe se the process na isi koye ba ye ba ye beto aso de ama yen komara
Ma yemfa ema ni agrokra nti yese moye ma na matima rise ya GHS first na mema nko ama kitu abi eso na de ma no mo bom modern na enehia ye mu ha no Kenya ase mu nana hima a wo Kenya ase nana duchumwa ewo ye ntem ne nsa nifa so nana hima ba ko sai gina ne nchen na me be introduce no especially e de achie mu nyina ye frɛ no nana amono jemfu adebra ono na ye asantefo hima wo UK ene Ireland mo me mo ye nsem nana na anamotu ei no ye be jama nana na mo ye manana entiatie mu bebre nana hima ye mo nkasa entiatie mu bebre yɛhyia mu wɔ ha no Kenya ase mu nana hima a wo Kenya ase nana dutumwa ɛwɔ yɛ ntɛm ne nsa nifa so nana hima baako sa gyina ne nkyɛn na me be introduce no specially e de akyɛ mu nyinaa ɛyɛ frɛ no nana amono jemfu adebra ɔno na yɛ asantefoɔ hima wɔ UK ɛne Ireland mo yɛ nsɛm ma nana na anamotu yi no yɛbɛgya ma nana na mo yɛma nana ɛntietie mu bebree nana hima yɛma mo nkasa ɛntietie mu bebree.
Yes, and our question, no share said you will go so air. We know in a shaman phone crisis, Asante didn't want. With me, I share or mine, with me, I share Santiama. Just as Santi with me, a crabbish. I change said you is here. See the donors, Susa, say, Yen is Sanka. Now, before that, Yanko post now make here. Into me, post and pay na mature say, if Asantehene is to answer one of your wish, what would that be? And I say, what will be that wish? If Asantehene is to answer one of your wish, what will be that wish? And me de two no man comments, no. Me say almost everybody comments in left, right, center. Yes, left, right, center. First comment about us, we want Asanteman freedom from Kid K8X, or say we want Asanteman freedom. Esio kwapi, and I say Esio kwame here, Esio kwame, or say we would humbly tell him to pull all necessary plugs to develop Asanteman. He has done so much already, but a lot yet to be done. Sana, Esio kwame, so edibai, Esio kwame. Na Alex Akowa, Eso Betro said, or say free Asanteman, independence for Asanteman. Free Asanteman, independence for Asanteman. Na etwa so expert clean Ebetro say my greatest wish is for our great king to separate Asanteman from Ghana. Not just all these things. Now what you say obia wish sen kebetimi anka Asanteman de ewura entia Asanteman enfim. Aye. Na and so on na Asante advanced projects. Yes, big boss Michelle. You know, I would say Asanteman should succeed from Ghana. Or no so Eddie or the buy, no so change Asanteman, what's Asanteman 10 if you now apel best max so betro say or say separate we Ashantis from Ghana. Separate we the Ashantis from Ghana. Just a nyasem kitwa kwa. Nyasem kitwa na my brother idea most times now enjoy na kwa Arabic and yes. I think so also betro my king, our king, the king of Asanteman. Pia kotoko him. And Time One TV, so much say succeed Ashantis from Ghana, a place with a common goal, with one language, can develop easily. Do this historic thing for Asanteman, and your name will never be forgotten. Until said your comment in Ibana, Wimpo Crowd will chill say Asante ye kakasa baako, ebi bia ye team poe baako a, easy sa Asanteman baby. Betting you developing 10 said you go be ayen say ohini ehya I think some name e na kid esa be say we want Asanteman freedom here let me try na Alex Akowa makan wo de no free Asanteman free yes and I think say isa be say Asante advanced expert eso say Asante advanced project e be say please guys keep the comments coming. Those who want succession should comment now. And nice, please make a video about this topic one day for us. Thank you, Kotokuma. Apranama. And or this also say Pia. Enokre. Media. The Biamika. This is I'm a proponent to this topic. Minya Nenka Santia de Amane Homenesu. Yes, Minya Nanka Santia Mane Homenesu papa. Yes. Na kebe mi de yi papa kebe mi de papa say you better that's why one day you see I feel the equals to but me the minim sa say the you see now we use social contracts anything how you be something money the econo I think say I like that now or hini betro say let Asantis go to our king to beg for separation from Ghana. Asantis are more than 11 million people. According to recent census, after the hate and insults, they use our resources to develop Accra, Asante to be nation as before has long overdue. God bless the king. God bless Asante. Yes, many on him so air adwene air on X7N. Me know ya adwene pepepepe san say the Asante esika na ahwe o man fitete. Suku bebe o man mu ya Asante. Asante twetwe suku pon ho aka. Kopelete edji akuafo sika me say Asante ahwe o man na chen so still you go so cassette you go so kan fo kira Asante. Me ne air adwene na yeah Kwabena for Susu Betro say, let us fight for this cause. No pray, you fight for this cause. And when I make sure say, first me, but one day say when you free, Asante your mind working with a Japa TV and a Japa FM. Asante your mind. Yes, I think say ebe boa ebe boa. Kwaku abin so can say when are we going to have our Asante man back, please? And I think that people are writing. Yes, Obi Ebetro Kingdom Life 2777. Etro say what say? But please, or say, but friends, please, I want to ask a question. Is it possible for him to do that? If it is, that would have been the best. But is it possible? Someone should help me. Okay, I mean, sure, it is very possible. In Krobi Briayi, I didn't know. Yes, a bit near you, Vatican attend like Ocean Vatican share. Italy, 15 pairs, who attend a group now. So it is very possible. Yes, very, very possible. Very possible. And then Yami, Nyamesem Richard so betro say separation from Ghana is all we want from him. And separation from Ghana, it is very, very possible. It is very possible. Yes, it is very, very possible. It's say na any other four actually. Na me dey so also chere wa adwene so say e wo say yete ye ho. E wo say asantema because as ye dey asante sika e show man so still na you who be there if you move. I think say this is the time and the time is now.
Adeɛ na peke, apeka, peka, peka, peke. Ah, adeɛ na peke, apeka, peka, peke. Hey! Asante your mayampa. Asante for the maya no. Hey, asante for muni mutu. The maya no, mase ho. First na me he. Ma wasante here no. Afi the mati ase. Asante for we are smart people. If you don't know these people, just follow them. Don't hate them, follow them. Asante for the Omaya no. Asemi who can you and I'm to this say Asante project. Asante for I hate TikTok office. Asante for I hate TikTok office. Headquarters Asante for Drop. This is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or be a follow the Asante Kingdom. Then Asante for I share video. Asante for. Hey, it's no Matthias, because na me the minim because I never share TikToker. Video be videos 3, be one and for the 2, 1, we share 4, be 2, sa Facebook, Instagram, X, then I stand for person my chivu. Share video.
Meadow means I love you.
Inzu kom de me means I'm thirsty.
Yanko means let's go.
Akwaba means welcome.
Medase means thank you.
Yefreme Yasmin means my name is Jasmine. Yasmin.
Etesane means how are you?
Eya means good.
Yamin Shrawu means God bless.
Me hoba. Me hoya me de. Me hoba. What you say? We are Santini. We are Ghanani. No who say wo kasa abrofasha si sua kasa no. Kasa no a de na ho ba yaw. Na me na minim de Asante for person mo achieve. This is Asante to the we are say. Me so mo hit TikTok. This is a TikTok e follow Asante Kingdom. Facebook e follow Instagram obia we are say obia e follow Asante for. Me say I'm said, there was social media. I'm someone said, I'm here. What I say? Now, I do it now. I'm here. No, follow me TikTok live now. Me teach you me brother. What I did now pick it. I pick up. Hey, I'm brofuno. And I shall say, country no. A draw so never be brief. Hey, now brofuno.
Love you.
Inzu kom de me
Inzu kom
means
de me.
I'm thirsty.
Yanko means let's go.
Akwaba means welcome.
Medase means thank you.
Yefreme Yasmin means my name is Jasmine. Yasmin.
Into other force, I will show me first May. First May. Me say first May. But what do you say when you want to Asante Asante your mind walk. Asante your mind walk no. Ebe baso on the first May. But what do you say when you want to with a party? Ye mumu what do you say? Pia be ba me repeat life. Me be pia mo ko pia first May me jai. The first May. The whole nam di mani chile. Ano panam sigo. Kopim sa walk the baby. This is to start a revolution journey. Yes, so the one pies will be able to have a pin na ye cabbage. Said it. I will cheer for so. I mean, I do maybe in life. I was one. What she said, you know, is single. Sap paper and it's your own. Tina Messel. I Messel. Philippine also for a comment to grab. Messel. But more than also for a comment to grab. Who precise and it's in one. But more than yes, but more than for a comment to grab. And yes, I. In share comment section or meaning comment section was to see why. And then they can also subscribe. Let's share so the baby will be able to. That's all. That's a part.